a smile the world can see, but hides the tears nobody needs. Every scar tells a story of a battle she survived. Life kept knocking at her door, bringing troubles more and more. But somehow when the morning comes, she's still standing, still alive. I don't know where she finds the strength to keep believing through the pain. When the world says, give up, she whispers, not today. She's still rising through the fire and the rain, still fighting when there's nothing left to gain, still hoping when the night won't let her sleep, still praying when her heart is feeling weak. She bends, but she doesn't break. People only see her now, they don't know the road somehow. Every dream she had to bury, every promise left behind. She has walked through lonely days, she has carried heavy weight, yet she chooses every morning to believe she'll be okay. And I wonder if she knows how much courage she has shown. Every step she takes in faith is a victory on its own. She's still rising through the fire and the rain, still fighting when there's nothing left to gain, still hoping when the night won't let her sleep, still praying when her heart is feeling weak. She bends, but she doesn't break. Cry, maybe angels got her nice. Maybe every tear she's cried will become a testimony. One day she'll look back and see she was stronger than she believed, and every storm she walked through was preparing her to fly. She's still rising through the fire and the rain, still fighting through the heartbreak and the pain, still hoping for the promise she can't see, still trusting that her season's yet to be. She bends, but she doesn't break. They thought she'd fall, they thought she'd fail, but she's